HNTS really entered a volume, and it still stands at 613.4484, or so they thought. They also thought that Helium's EMA-10 usually shows a downward trend, which is really important. Helium has a medium-term barrier at $5.02, which is very important as far as the HNT support floor goes. However, contrary to what most people think, Helium is currently worth $4.27 in every way that counts. 16 to 22 July 2023. In this video, we'll walk you through the Helium cost exam for now or for the sort of the next week and try to answer these questions. What exactly is the short-term price forecast for Helium? It's HNT, and it's important to know why. Helium's support and resistance levels, for example, show that Helium M usually has a medium-term resistance at $5.02, which is a big number. However, before we got too deep into HNT, we talked more about TH market research shows that in the last 24 hours, there was a loss of 1.84, taking the total market for digital currencies to $1.177 trillion. People usually thought that the total amount of trading was 112,561,953 or so, but it's actually 20,577,638,4440 in a quiet way. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market while Ethereum really has a strength of 16.33%, which explicitly is genuinely critical, which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level after a decay of 0.54, exhibiting that market examination over the very last 24 hours. There basically was a ruin of 1.84, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,177,112,561,953 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum sort of, has seen a value diminishing of 0.65 coming to 1860.73 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner, while distributing this blog BNB exchanged at 236.78 following a value change of 0.44 inside a similar time period. So various selective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value decline of 0.65. Coming to 1,160.73 during the past 24 hours, which generally is genuinely huge. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 0.66 and presently exchanging at 47 cents in a significant manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77 in esteem. Or so they really thought. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market basically is going in a genuinely descending course for kind of present moment. Truly further appearance how Bitcoin shares 49.89 of the entry market while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33, or so they sort of thought. As of now, a truly broad, quite regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a significant manner. Helium support and resistance are important technical markers that are used to find key price levels where the trend can change. This generally shows that Helium support and resistance levels, and so on, show that Helium has a medium-term resistance at $5.02. Support is a level where buyers tend to buy. Also, resistance in a real sense is a level at which sellers become more active and usually stop the price of the coin from going up. This shows that there has been a fundamentally wide buy and a large bad drop across the crypto market, which is very important. Here are the support and resistance levels of Helium HNT. Helium execution. The day-to-day data of Helium shows that the HNT price is going down, with a 0.34% drop in fundamentally. Beyond 24 hours of showing that, but before getting too deep into the HNT technical exam, we were led in every way that really counts to talk about the current economic situation, which is in a real sense very important. The value of a Helium HNT coin is still $3.05, and its market capitalization is still $423,702,611 US. This shows that the absolute trading volume is still $20,577,638 for $44, which is very important. HNT price changes by 12.01 over the course of a week, while the trading volume stays around 613,484 US dollars. This means that based on the support and resistance levels of Helium, HNT Helium performance, the daily graph of Helium shows that the HNT price is going down by 0.34 over the course of 24 hours, which means that before jumping very high, i.e., before the price went up by 12.01, i.e., before all things considered, let's talk about the current economy, which is really big. Helium price analysis HNT cost analysis for 16 to 22 July 2023 inside a kind of everyday time span in a real sense made sense of. Below showing that these events in every practical sense show that the market especially is going in and all things considered descending direction for all things considered right now. Moving most certainly normal EMA2 is a very important way to predict how Helium will change in the future. While HNT's Williams percent R marker is usually at 69.632 for a 14-day period, which shows that the market is not biased, a trade-like sign is possible at this point. Which shows that Helium price examination HNT cost examination for 16 to 22 July 2023 insight and in every practical sense daily today period basically made sense of beneath, showing that these events show that the market is going in a kind of downward direction for the time being. Also, look at how Bitcoin makes up 49.89% of the entry M. The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, approved BlackRock's latest application for a spot Bitcoin ETF. On its website, the governing body recognized that BlackRock had filed an ETF in a section for ETFs filed in the third quarter of the year. Along with BlackRock, a few other top asset managers also sent in papers that were accepted by the SEC. On the site, there were also job applications from Fidelity, WisdomTree Funds, VanEck, Galaxy Digital, and Invesco US. It's important to note that top investment companies like ARK Invest, 21 shares, and Bitwise Invest have already passed this stage with their Bitcoin ETF applications. Key players in the cryptocurrency market have said what they think about the new change. People in the market have all had good things to say about the change on the SEC's website. James Seifert, a research expert for Bloomberg who writes about crypto and Bitcoin, seems to think that the market is already doing well. "We're off to the races," he said, adding that the application from Valkyrie Funds is next. It's important to note that this is only one of many steps that must be taken for the SEC to accept ETF applications. But the steps don't make a difference in the clearance process, as Seifert told it. Given how things have